Are you ready to discover a tool that can handle a multitude of tasks with ease? Look no further than the heat gun. In this video, we'll dive into the world of heat guns, exploring their features, applications, how they can make your DIY projects a breeze, and the 15 best heat guns on the market. Let's get started. A heat gun is a handheld device that emits a stream of hot air, providing a controlled source of heat for various tasks. From DIY enthusiasts to professionals, heat guns have become an essential tool in every toolkit due to their versatility. The applications of heat guns are vast and varied. Whether you're tackling home improvement projects, crafts, automotive repairs, or even industrial tasks, a heat gun can be your best friend. They're commonly used for paint removal, plastic bending, shrink wrapping, soldering, and even thawing frozen pipes. Heat guns come with adjustable temperature settings and airflow controls, allowing you to customize the heat intensity based on your project's requirements. Some models even feature digital displays for precise temperature control. Safety is paramount when using a heat gun. Always wear protective gear, such as gloves and safety glasses, to shield yourself from the hot air and debris. Keep the heat gun moving to avoid scorching surfaces, and never direct the heat towards flammable materials. There are two main types of heat guns, electric and gas-powered. Electric heat guns are more common and suitable for most tasks. Gas-powered heat guns are often used in industrial settings where electrical outlets may not be available. Here are some handy tips. When removing paint, start with a lower heat setting and gradually increase if needed. For shrink wrapping, maintain a consistent distance to prevent overheating. And if you're bending plastic, use a jig or form to achieve the desired shape. Whether you're a DIY enthusiast, a creative artist, or a professional tradesperson, a heat gun is a versatile tool that can revolutionize the way you approach tasks. From precision work to heavy-duty projects, it's a tool you'll wonder how you lived without. So, go ahead and add a heat gun to your toolkit and unlock a world of possibilities. Now, let's introduce you to the best heat guns on the market that can help you tackle various projects. From DIY enthusiasts to professionals, these heat guns are a must-have in your toolkit. We will share details about 6 heat guns in this video, but you can see our full list of 15 in the video description or go to https://www.skilledhub.com/bestheatguns. Wagner HT1000 Heat Gun. First up, we have the Wagner HT1000 Heat Gun. This compact yet powerful heat gun offers 2 temperature settings and a durable design. Perfect for tasks like paint removal, bending plastic pipes, and even thawing frozen pipes. The ergonomic handle and lightweight build make it comfortable to use for extended periods. DeWalt D26950 Heat Gun. With variable temperature control and a built-in overload protection mechanism, this heat gun is ideal for a wide range of applications. Whether you're shaping plastics, softening adhesives, or stripping paint, the DeWalt D26950 delivers consistent heat and reliability. SkilledHub Heat Gun. Looking for versatility and precision? The SkilledHub heat gun has got you covered. With its digital display and adjustable temperature settings, you can accurately control the heat for intricate tasks like soldering, crafting, and even defrosting. Its compact design and ergonomic grip make it easy to handle. Black & Decker HG1300 Dual Temperature Heat Gun. If you're on a budget but still want a quality heat gun, consider the Black & Decker HG1300 Dual Temperature Heat Gun. With 2 heat settings and an integrated stand, it's perfect for tasks like removing stickers, shrink wrapping, and loosening rusted bolts. Its lightweight design ensures easy maneuverability. Milwaukee 268820 Cordless Heat Gun. For those who value portability and convenience, the Milwaukee 268820 Cordless Heat Gun is a game-changer. Powered by an M18 red lithium battery, this cordless heat gun offers freedom of movement without compromising on performance. It's a go-to tool for professionals who need a reliable heat source on the go. There you have it, a roundup of some of the best heat guns that are designed to meet your needs, whether you're a DIY enthusiast or a professional tradesperson. From precision crafting to heavy-duty tasks, these heat guns are the ultimate tools to add to your collection. Choose the one that aligns with your projects and take your work to the next level. Thanks for watching, and happy crafting. For the full list of 15, check out the video description or go to https://www.skilledhub.com/bestheatguns.